Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Helldivers 2 with the Ulanzi D200H desk. If you start the Ulanzi tool, you go to the web store and search for Helldivers. You can download this plugin for your Ulanzi tool. After the download, it looks like this. You see these are different folders, for example, for the Adler or for your weapons. By clicking, you can switch between those folders. This plugin is very nice, but it's not perfect, so we have to do a few adjustments in order to use it with your Helldiver profile. For example, this weapon I want to use for my profile, and I can see now this combination of ADSV is not the way how I'm going to span some stratagems. So for me, in order for stratagems, I'm going to press the 0 on my number block, and then I will use the arrows instead of ASVD. So I got to change this here. As well, you can set the delay to 10 milliseconds. 10 milliseconds is enough. It works very well with this. So here you got to change to whatever combination you use in game to get your stratagems. For me, it is the arrows. So I'm going to change those two arrows here. After this, I'm going to give it a little name so I know, okay, I already changed this. And with copy, you can just put it to another side. I already did this. I did a second page down there. So here I can paste this stratagem. You got to do these changes in whatever way your combinations are for stratagems. As you can see here with the orbital laser, I already did this. So I got the number 0 to open the stratagems, and then I have the delays and the arrows to get my stratagems. So the plugin is good. It has a lot of tools, but it doesn't have everything. So for example, the new exosuit with the flamethrower is not yet there. So we have to create it our own. For this, I'm using this website. I'm getting this icon of the exosuit with the flamethrower using the snipping tool. You will get the link for this website at the end of the video. Then we go back to the order you have to put in with the arrows. Here you add a new action. Then as well, you have to give it the order to open your stratagem menu. For me, this is by number 0. Here, 10 milliseconds are enough. I know it is not 10 here. This something I tested and corrected. After this, 10 is more than enough. And the next thing you're going to do is add those keys that you have to press in order to get the exo flamethrower. So I'm using the combination of the arrows, as you see on the website. After you did this, remember to insert the delay between all those actions. You can do this by copy and paste. This is very simple with the Ulanzi Studio tool. There you go. So you just added a new order for the exosuit with the flamethrower. I give it a name, so I know I already changed it, that it works for me. And here you can add your icon as well. This will look like this. And there you are. You just added a new stratagem into the set. You can copy it, go to your page here as well. You can build some folders if you'd like, or just insert it as I did. Now we go in game. There are little things that we have to change as well. For this, go to options, then go on your mouse and tastature and go to the tactical equipment. Here you have to change from holding a key to just pressing it. So for example, for me, the number 0, I don't have to hold it, I just have to press it. This is important. After these changes, you are ready to go with the Ulanzi D200 or D200X. As you can see, when I press 0, my stratagems pop up, and when I press 0 again, they are gone.
Unterstützungswaffe trifft ein.
As you can see here, it works very well, and these are all with 10 milliseconds of delay between the keys.
Geschütz kommt. Aktiviert Orbitallaser. Ausrüstungspaket trifft ein.
So again, as summary, the 10 milliseconds are enough time for the delays between the actions. Go to this site if you want to get your icons for stratagems that you program yourself. And also the combinations are very nice documented there. Thank you very much for watching and have fun with Helldivers.